Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Highlander wiper blades. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This ensures safety and prevents damage during the process. Now let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm. Be careful to support the wiper arm as you do this, so it doesn't snap back and hit your windshield. You can place the soft cloth on the glass for extra protection. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't slide off during operation. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Now, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and clear the glass effectively. This final check confirms proper installation and optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.